Oftentimes, diseases and tissues are reported using different names, and this can lead to a lot of confusion, especially when you're searching for data sets. This can cause your results to be too narrow as well. Now, that is why we have come up with the ontology-based recommendations to help you find more data sets with fewer efforts from your end and basically to improve findability. Now, for the diseases, we have used the mesh ontology, and for the tissues, we have used the Brenda tissue ontology. And let's look at the OmixAtlas first, how you can do this on a GUI. Now, here I am in the Geo OmixAtlas, and I'm just going to go to the left side panel and type in the disease that I want to search for. So over here, I've searched for pulmonary diseases and I'm already getting a lot of matches and related diseases. I'm going to click on load mode to expand this list, and you can see that there are a lot of suggestions. I'm going to go ahead with pulmonary edema over here and close. So now there are 21 matching data sets, and if I want to sort of narrow it down further, I can go to tissue and I've typed in lung here, and I'm also getting a lot of matches. So of these, I'm just going to go ahead with lung for now. But then you can also see other related tissues here, apply and close. So now I have 14 matching data sets that are conforming to my filters over here, and that is how you can do you can get ontology-based recommendations on the graphical user interface. Now coming to PolyPython, we use something called the recommend function. So you can see that it has three parameters here: the field name, the search term, and the key. The key can either be match or related. Now, in case you choose match, only the exact matches for the keyword will be returned. And if you choose related, then the list of items gets expanded implicitly. You don't have to do it yourself. And all the related diseases or tissue names get added onto the search. So let's just have a look at how that happens. This is what the query looks like generally. So you have contains, and contains takes two parameters over here. And with this query, you get around 929 results. Now over here, you can see that contains still exists in the new query, but we within the parameters, you have the disease, the field name, and then we give the recommend function. So within the recommend function, again, you have three parameters. Here it is related for, the key is related for diseases, and for the tissue as well, it is related. Now for the same query, you have breast neoplasm and breast as you did in the earlier query without contains. So here you have around 1,441 results, which is almost 50% over what we had received last time. And that happens because here you can see that the query gets modified and the related terms get added. So you can see breast neoplasm, then unilateral breast neoplasm, etc. And for tissue as well, you can see milk, fat, epithelium, and so on. Now, this is how you can get more out of your query by using the recommend function for recommendations based on ontology.